Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you really quickly how you are expected to use this Genius Hour project board. When you are going to be working on a Genius Hour project, you can use this board as a place to find all of the options that you have for creating this project. And so basically all we're asking is for you to show us in a creative way what you have learned. So this requires some outside of the box thinking. And all of the guidance we're going to give you is just show me what you've learned. And you kind of have to take the creative steps from there. You have lots of options to do this. You can create a Canva board by going to Canva and creating really cool posters about what you've learned. These can be videos, they can be just regular posters. You can really kind of choose, and Canva is a really fun place to work with your things. Some of you maybe have started using your vision board on Canva. So Canva is a pretty cool place to make online posters. Here, this link will take you to a link where you will make a copy and do a Google Slides presentation for your Genius Hour. So that's an option for you. Same thing with Google Docs here. You could write an essay. You could create a Google drawing for your Genius Hour project. Let's see, oh, and there's a video here about how you create Genius Hour Google Drawings. So if you are curious about what to do, you can always watch this video here on YouTube. Okay, all right. It says come up with your own project idea and get it approved by your teacher. So maybe you know of some other cool online platform that you could use to do this. Just come and talk to whoever your ELA teacher is. Maybe it's me or Miss Rains or Miss McClellan, and just say, hey, I want to do this for Genius Hour. And we'll probably say yes. Okay, here's some tutorial videos for how to use Powtoon. Powtoon's a cool way to make presentations that are very animated and can move. So if you would prefer something that's kind of like a step up from Google Slides, you can go ahead and use that. Or you can also use Prezi, which has other really cool presentation designs that is a little more maybe complex than Google Slides. Okay, and if you've never used Prezi, here's another tutorial here that you can click on that will take you and show you how. So that is Genius Hour projects. Remember, you're just showing us creatively what you have learned. So maybe that could be key takeaways or the most important thing that you took away from the whole thing or something obscure that you thought was interesting. Whatever it is, just make sure that it is creative and have fun.